Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan.
Oh.
I'm from Philippines.
Oh, good to know that.
Yes.
Are you sibling?
No, cousin.
Cousin. Oh, okay. You wanna play the battle?
Sige. Ay, sure.
Sorry.
All right. Which part are you in the Philippines?
Luzon.
Okay. You guys are high school students, right?
Yes.
What grade are you guys?
Grade 10, grade 8.
Okay. Saan kayo sa Luzon?
Ay!
Kuya, pag sinato kaya kita, meron kayo magagawa. Kuya, hindi nakakatuwa. Kaya hindi kita pinapansin eh, kasi ayoko mag-English.
Uy,